perfect time to declutter and organize our lives. I'm going to share some new habits, how I reset and organize my life, trying new routines, turning those routines into rituals, and creating habits that are beneficial to us.
Your nasty habits don't give me anything. It's pure mathematics. We've got to end this thing.
The first thing I am going to focus on is making my nightstand more dreamier by decluttering it. When we settle in for the night, we prepare our bodies and brains to regenerate, and your nightstand is basically your bedside altar. I like to keep a rose quartz crystal, amethyst, and citrine on it. Keeping crystals nearby while you sleep can help your heart stay full, vision clear, and it just sets the vibe. If you keep it uncluttered, you relieve pressure off your mind. A messy nightstand equates to a scattered mind. Your bedside table should be totally clear of any stressors. The last thing you see before you turn off the lights should be a calming, peaceful, serene sight. By creating systems, you are going to make your life so much easier. You could do that on the laptop, or maybe you want to plan in a physical planner, but creating a morning, noon, and night routine is key. Also, setting small goals and keeping track of those goals are super beneficial. So you want to create a schedule and have a plan. So this is my happy planner. Going to be filling in and scheduling 3 days out. This week's focus was to start and end each day with a clean space. I really want to focus on purging, cleaning, resetting, which is what this video is all about. Also want to spend less time on social media. But yeah, planning my days the night before, that way I know what I'm doing and I'm much more likely to be productive when I have systems in place. I also decluttered and organized my laptop. I freed up a whole bunch of space by deleting old files, so now I have more memory.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces
what I felt.
One, two, three, I don't know who else to be. 4, 5, 6, like they say I can't be fixed. 1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip. 1, 2, 3, I don't know who else to be.
And this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year. Bright, bright blessings in 2021. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Peace.
Just give me any kind, even if it hurts a bit.